It's Christmas time, and we want to welcome you to Cape Cod National Seashore.
I heard the bells on Christmas Day. They're all familiar carols play, and wild and sweet the words repeat of peace on earth, goodwill to man. I thought how as the day had come, the belfries of all Christendom had rolled along the unbroken song of peace on earth, goodwill to men. Then peal the bells more loud and deep. God is not dead, nor doth he sleep. The wrong shall fade, the right prevail, with peace on earth.
We are at our first ever family Airbnb. Classic Cape Cod cottage right here. Mom is attempting the lockbox.
Yeah, here we go.
It looks awesome.
It looks like I've gone
I honestly can
All right, you want to try the different set?
I think it looks good.
I got the whole family here today. This is our first trail here at Cape Cod. The Atlantic White Cedar Swamp Trail. How long are we looking at?
1 mile.
1 mile distance.
Yep.
Nice day today. December 26th. About 40 degrees outside. There's the family. Check them out.
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So we have just entered the grove of cedar trees right now, like this guy behind me. We are officially in the swamp. This is pretty neat.
When European colonists first settled in this area, they cleared cedar groves like this really, really quickly because the wood was perfect for like building houses and making floors and also making tanks to hold whale oil. So none of the original groves of cedar actually stand that were here hundreds of years ago. These are all new groves because they were cleared so quickly back then, which is interesting.
Good.
Woo, Haley.
All I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So we are on the ocean side right now, heading out to the beach, and I think it's safe to say it's a little colder out here, isn't it?
Chilly.
This is beautiful though.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
How you doing?
Cold. It's all right. It's very beautiful. It's very cold and windy. It's very nice.
All right, guys. So what do you think about Cape Cod?
Well, let's just say it this way. Cape Cod is not for the faint of heart. Am I right, everyone?
It's a little bit of taste of home, so it almost reminds you of the Jersey Shore, but it has a different feel, so it's nice to come somewhere different. It's really beautiful, and the beach is really pretty here too.
Yeah.
So that'll do it for Race Point. Basically, no one is out here. You know, this place in the summertime is jam-packed with people. And you can see why they don't come out in the winter. It's pretty cold. And I think a lot of people miss out because there's a lot of national parks that are just as beautiful in the wintertime as well. Time to get back in the car and warm up now. So this is one of my most favorite activities to do when I come to Cape Cod. Back in Jersey, we call these jetties. Here they call them breakwaters. It is a breakwater that goes across the bay all the way to the other end of Cape Cod, and it is 1 mile long. Check that out. Here we go. There goes Mom. She's heading back already. She made it about 1 football field. Who's gonna be next to drop out on the jetty hike? All right, they're all still with me. Forward we go.
June is a good time to come back.
Oh, Kelly almost went in for a swim in 40-degree temperature water.
It's really nice out here. It's very nice out here. Let us know how the lighthouse is.
All right, Kayla, you doing the 180 as well? Oh, we're moving on. All right, guys, be safe going back, okay? So I'd say we're about 3/4 of the way done. It's really cold. I got Natalie. I have Shane with me. You didn't think you could do it, did you, Shane?
I didn't even turn back with Mom at the beginning.
So if you think of Cape Cod, oftentimes it's compared to a bicep, more like where the hand would be right now. So kind of right up there on the tip of the Cape. You see behind me, off the jetty, in the sand, there's a lighthouse right there, about a half mile away. I kind of want to go see it. That was definitely worth it. I'm heading back. I've done some crazy adventures before. This one might have been the craziest. Oh, I gotta warm up in this car.
Why do you need new shoes?
What'd you get, Haley?
BLT.
Natalie?
Me and Shane both got a cheeseburger.
Kayla?
Pulled pork. Fried fish.
And we got the Cajun chicken right here. Bon appetit, folks. Enjoy.
And from every window shines a light.
And as tradition has it, we end our day at Cape Cod at McMillan Pier. It is cold. I think we're the only folks out here right now. This is gonna be a quick stay. I can't believe I talked to family into this one. Are we having fun yet out here or what, huh? That is one happy family right there.
We need to go now, Dad. Oh, we need to go now, Dad. We're freezing.
Can we go now?
All right.
We're good.
Let's go. I also want to give a shout out. My girls are getting much appreciation from it right now. East Hills Outdoors. Hold that blanket up for these guys if you can a little bit. Free blanket from East Hills Outdoors. Outdoor blanket. Vinyl on the outside. Is that vinyl?
Yep.
Yeah.
Felt on the inside.
Fleece on the inside. Nice and warm. Good for any outdoor activities. Is that keeping you guys warm?
Oh, yeah.
So East Hills Outdoors, thanks so much for the gift for America's Parks. We appreciate you. So at the Pilgrims Monument, lit up behind me, McColl, Cape Cod, Massachusetts. That is it for this vlog. Thanks so much for joining us. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to America's Parks. Even though you might not want to join us tonight, there's always room for you on our next national park adventure.